Today, we're diving into the Be Quiet Pure Base 600 ATX MIDI Tower PC case, a sleek and versatile chassis that promises exceptional performance with whisper quiet operation. Right off the bat, its design impresses with a highly versatile construction, boasting repositionable HDD slots and a removable ODD cage, offering customization options that cater to various system configurations. One of the standout features of this case is its commitment to quiet performance. Equipped with two pre-installed Be Quiet Pure Wings 2 fans, the Pure Base 600 ensures minimal noise disturbance while maintaining efficient airflow, making it an ideal choice for users who prioritize a serene computing environment. But it's not just about silence. This case is also cooling ready. With support for water cooling and the ability to accommodate radiators up to 360 mm in three specially designed areas, front, top, and rear, it delivers optimal cooling performance for even the most demanding setups. Plus, the adjustable top cover vent provides users with enhanced cooling options or a dedicated mounting point for a radiator, adding to its versatility. In terms of build quality, the Pure Base 600 doesn't disappoint. Completely sound insulated with dampening material in all relevant places, it ensures that vibrations and noise are kept to a minimum, resulting in a more enjoyable computing experience. And let's not forget about cable management. With professional cable management features and extensive routing options, keeping your build clean and tidy is a breeze. Backed by a 3-year manufacturer's warranty and boasting product conception, design, and quality control in Germany, the Be Quiet Pure Base 600 offers both peace of mind and assurance of quality. Overall, the Be Quiet Pure Base 600 ATX MIDI Tower PC case impresses with its exceptional blend of versatility, quiet performance, and cooling capabilities, making it a top contender for users seeking the ultimate silent computing experience. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.